It's been 1 month since the infamous Windows October update has launched. I've been running it and I've had no problems at all. It's very quick. As you can see, everything's working perfectly. I haven't run into any problems. I like the new tweaks it has made. It's great. I do have an old computer. It's an i5 Generation 5 Intel processor. I have 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM, but I do install an SSD. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. If you tell me if you had problems, what kind of hard drive or solid state drive you have. I am really curious about that.